Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll address a very common question. The honest answer is, if you have no backup, it is extremely difficult and often impossible to recover deleted WhatsApp chats. First, understand that WhatsApp messages are stored locally on your phone. When you delete them, they are typically gone. There is no undelete button within WhatsApp if no backup exists. Next, do not uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, as this can overwrite any residual data. If the chats were recently deleted, you could try using a reputable data recovery software on a rooted, Android, or jailbroken, iPhone, device. However, this is technically complex, not guaranteed, and compromises your phone's security. Then, for Android users, check your phone's built-in backup feature, like Samsung Cloud or a local file manager, in case a system backup exists that predates the deletion. After that, the most reliable method is prevention. Go to WhatsApp settings, the chat backup, and set up automatic daily backups to Google Drive or iCloud. This is your safety net. I must be clear, any app or service promising guaranteed recovery without a backup is likely a scam. Your best bet is to ensure you have a recent backup for the future. If this honest advice saved you from a scam, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.